We learned how a turbocharger works, self-driving trucks are coming to Florida roads yet this year, and Jaguar announced some of the chassis technology debuting in the F-Pace crossover. It's the Week in Reverse, right here on Motor Authority. Porsche is preparing to launch the refreshed 2016 911 series. This week we spotted the facelifted Porsche with no camouflage, and our video crew was able to capture the sound of its powertrain, which is likely turbocharged. Look for the reveal of these updated models at next month's 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show. Recently, Lexus unveiled its hoverboard, which we still can't believe is real. This week, the automaker gave us a look at the tech that makes this thing actually work. While it's not quite black magic, it's still pretty impressive to see working in real life. Wondering how a turbocharger works? You're in luck, because this week we got hot and gassy as we dove into how a turbocharger works thanks to a video animation that explains everything. Another one of life's secrets explained. We've seen self-driving semi-concepts, and numerous automakers are talking about their upcoming autonomous cars. But what about self-driving trucks? This week a Pennsylvania firm announced it'll be putting self-driving trucks on the road in Florida this year as part of a pilot program. The future is here. The new Jaguar F-Pace is almost here as well, as it makes its debut next month at the Frankfurt Motor Show. In the meantime, Jaguar released some key details regarding the tech incorporated into the F-Pace crossover's chassis. For these stories and much more just like them every week, be sure to read Motor Authority and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.